and that's what we're doing.
We got the engine!
What are you enthusiastic about?
Here is the brand new second-hand engine that I picked up off eBay for £8,000. But there was something I noticed which wasn't quite right with it. So I wanted to do a few checks before we jumped into throwing it into the car.
Right, is that like a little...
That is water, yeah, that is water.
Yeah, there's a puddle there, isn't there? Look at that.
Now we got this off eBay and we went to pick it up and the chap said he wants the gearbox back so when we split it off. Now, there's a bunch of things that when this has arrived, it's not filled us with confidence.